In my game, you can see here I have a script for the day and night cycle. For more details on how this works, you can refer to our prior tutorial on day and night cycle. What I want to do now is I want to add an automatic lamp. So let's start by adding a cylindrical part. I'm going to add a cylinder. Let's change the size to 12, 2 and 2. So I'm making it a little bit longer. Change the color to black. And why don't we rename this to post? Next, I'm going to add a lamp. So I'm going to add a sphere, change the color to yellow, and rename this to lamp. So now I have a lamp and I have a post. Oh, let's make sure they're both anchored. So I'm going to select both, click on anchor. And now we're going to select both, right click, group them as a model, and rename this model to lamppost. One more thing I need to do here is I need to add a light to the lamp. So I'm going to go to my lamp here, click on the plus sign. We're going to add a point light. We're going to go to the lamppost. We're going to add a script. And our script is going to turn off the light when it's bright outside, and it's going to turn on the light when it's dark outside. Inside your script, just enter the following lines. On the first line here, we're declaring our lamp. Here I have an infinite while loop. It's going to keep on running, and every time it goes through, it's going to check the clock time of the game. If the current time of the game is between 6 and 19, 19 is 7 p.m., so it's 6 a.m. If it's between 6 a.m. and 7 p.m., it's going to turn off the light. Otherwise, it's going to turn on the light. Let's now play test and take a look. So I'm starting out at midnight here, and you can see my lamp is on right now. Let me look for the moon. Oh, the moon just went down, and my automatic light just went off automatically. The sun is going to the other side, and the sun is coming down, so it should be nighttime very soon. Now it's in the evening, and the sun is gone, and the light is back on automatically. Guys, that's how you make a day and night cycle with an automatic lamp in Roblox.